Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club. Today we are here to discuss the problem beautification of array, which came in recent contest of CodeChef started in 92. So in this question, we will be given an array, and what we need to do that we need to find the sum of all pairwise product of element of the array. That means like if A, B, C, D, this is our array, then we need to find A dot B plus A dot C plus A dot D plus B dot C plus B dot D plus C dot D. This is the beauty of this array. That is the sum of all pairwise products. Now to make his array more beautiful, he can do following operation at most k times. And what is the operation? That in a single operation, he can increase any element of array by 1. That is, he can select any I from 1 to n and change ai to ai plus 1. Now we will be given original array that chef has, and we will be given k, and we need to find the maximum beauty that we can achieve after applying these at most k operations, and we need to take modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So now our first thing that how we are going to calculate the what is the sum of product pairwise products. For that, just think that what is the value of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now, what is value of a plus b plus c का whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus ab plus bc plus ac. And what is the value of a plus b plus c plus d का whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus d square plus 2 into ab plus ac plus ad plus bc plus bd plus cd. So from these equations, from these all equations, you can figure out that if you need to find the value of sum of pairwise products, that is this one, then we can directly find that by the equation that sum of a1 plus a2 plus an a whole square will be equal to sum of a1 square plus a2 square plus an square plus 2 into 1 minute. Okay, so plus 2 into summation of pairwise products. I can be from 1 and j can be from I plus 1. So we need to find this one. For that, what we can do that first of all we will calculate the sum of elements. That will be this one, and this is our sum 1. Our sum 2 will be sum of all squares of elements. That will be this one, and then our final answer will be equal to sum 1 minus sum 2 sum 1 square minus sum 2 upon 2. This is our final answer. Now what we need to do that we will be given k, and we can perform at most k operations on our given array, and we need to maximize this one. So for that, let me elaborate this one, that sum 1 square minus sum 2. What is this one? This one is a1 plus a2 plus an whole square of this one minus a1 square, a2 square and an square. We want to maximize this one. So from that I can say that we want to maximize this one and minimize this one, because here is minus. So we want to minimize this one. Now just think that like 1 and 7 is element of this array, and we want to add plus 1. Either we can add in 1 or we can add in 7. Now there can be two possibilities, that either we can make it 2 7 or we can make it 1 and 8 by adding plus 1 in any one of these. So from this, what will be the effect on this sum 1? someone will be increased with plus 1, and in this side what will be the difference in sum 2? That will be that before that was 1 square and 7 square, but now that is 4 square and 7 square, and in this side that is 1 square and 8 square. But here also there's some one is affected with plus 1, so either you can add in this one or you can add in this one. Someone will be affected same, that is affected with plus 1, but the more difference is this in this sum 2. That is, if you add in 1, then you are getting 4 square plus 7 square, that is 2 square plus 7 square, that is 4 plus 49. But in this side you are getting 1 and 64. From that what you can say, that your target was to minimize this one, but if you add in uh, largest number, then you will get the more sum 2. So from that you can see that whatever array is given to you, we will target to we will target to maximize the number which are if we sort it in ascending order, let me write non-decreasing order, then our target will be to maximize first of all this, then this, then this, then this. So that is that how we are going to perform our k operation. Now just think that value of our k is given to us 10, and our array is 1, uh, 3, 2, 5 and 6. So if we sort it, there will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now we are going to perform these k operations. What is our target? That we want to maximize the our minimal element. Like we first of all we will target to make 1 equal to 2. Then we will target to make all these 2 equal to 3. Then we will target that these elements should be equal to 5. Then we will target that these elements should be equal to 6. But as of now you can see that how many operations we have performed. From 1 to 5 we have performed 4 operations, 2 to 5 3, and 3 to 5 2 operations. So 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9 operations. Value of k is given to us 10, so we can perform at most 10 operations. Now if we want to make these all 5 equal to 6, then we need to 6 6 6 6. Then we can see that plus 1 here, plus 1 here, plus 1 here, plus 1 here, plus 4. 9 plus 4, that is more than 10, so we cannot perform these operations. So our final array is this one, but one operation is left yet, because 9 we have performed and 10 we are given. Then we can increase any one of these, that just think that I'm increasing this one. So this is our final array. So what is our target? That first of all we will try to make that how many elements are there, how many elements are there in the array which we can make equal to this last one element. Here we can make equal to 5, and if we can make equal to all this element equal to this one, then we will left some operation k, then we will try to add these k operation in these element only. So how we are going to do that one, you can understand from that code. Like you can see that I'm sorting our array. Then what is our demand? That is a summation of previous elements. And what is our request? That we want to make all elements which are before this array of I equal to this array of I. So for that, how many elements are there before this array of I? That is I element. And I into array of I, what is this? That if we make all elements equal to array of I, then summation of that minus current summation, and difference of that will be request, that is demand, which we want to make elements equal to this array of I. If that is more than k, that means we cannot make equal to this element. So our last element will be the previous element from that one, and we will break there. So now as of now we know that at index last we can make all element equal to last that are occurring before this LST. So from 0 to LST, what I am doing that I am calculating the value of k. So that will be array of LST which we want to make this array of I minus array of I. So this much operation we have performed on that on this particular index I, and I have converted array of I equal to array of LST. Now maybe we have left out with some operation k. So for that what I will do, that will calculate the value of x, that is k upon LST plus 1. LST plus 1, what is this? That is the length of the elements which are all equal. Like in this one, that will be 4. Go 4 elements are same. We have made them same. So uh, k upon LST plus 1, that will give that this much operation we can add in all elements, and there will be some remainder. So plus 1 we can make on y elements. So as of now we have made that how we are going to perform the k operations. Now our target is to calculate the value of calculate the value of sum of products, some pairwise products. So for that you can follow this operation, that process which we discussed previous. What was that? That first of all calculate sum of all elements, square that minus calculate the sum of all individual squares and divide that with 2. But in this process you cannot use mode, because from that you will get wrong answer. So what is the different approach? Okay, so what is the different approach for calculating the sum of pairwise product? That is, just think that a b c d is given to us, and you know that pairwise product will be a into b plus a into c plus a into d plus b into c plus b into d plus c into d. Okay, now just think that I am calculating the value of sum, that is sum of previous elements. And what I am doing that, just think that you are coming here, then you can see that summation of that will be a into b, all elements which are before b, that is a dot b. Then if you come here, then summation of all elements with a dot b, that will be a dot c plus b dot c. Then here that will be a dot d plus b dot d plus c dot d. I hope I will get all pairs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 and 3, 6. From this you can see that a dot b plus a plus b dot c plus a plus b plus c dot d. Is it right? And from here you can get that value of our answer will be summation of previous elements dot current element, and total summation of this, that will be our answer. So for that I am doing here that calculate the sum of previous elements, that is this one, and our final answer will be sum into current element. So that is our final answer. So I hope you all get the solution. You will get the solution link in the description. So in the next problem, till then, happy coding. Bye bye.